In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. First of all, just hold your search bar and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, select Remove and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you wanna restore it though, you can always do that by pinching your display and hitting widgets at the bottom. Now scroll. Click on one of those sections here, which is Google if you want a Google search bar, or for example Firefox if you want a browser one. Let's stick with Google though. Tap on the one you wanna add and select Add button. Then hold it, move it to place it wherever you wish. And when you finished, let go and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!